What's up, guys? I'm doing my intro, and Brianna's sitting right there. And she called me on the "What's up, guys?" And I always try to be discreet with that.
I'll pretend I'm not listening.
Yeah, right. It's already too late now. She's gonna be in all of this. This is part 2 of SD Campervans shops, I guess. This is their LA shop, and I'm here right now. I'm in the alley, but what's cool about this is I'm gonna be showing a lot of behind the scenes stuff. I have another videographer here. He's also a YouTuber named Travis. He's their personal videographer, so it's really cool to see what he's doing behind the scenes. It's gonna be behind the scenes of their shop. It's gonna be just a little bit of everything. I'll step inside to show you real quick. I mean, look at this. This is a really cool shop behind me. And we're just gonna take a look. They're building 2 vans as we speak, and they've got a parking lot just full of vans. Just, you know, this one's gonna be built soon for a customer. That also is for a customer. I have the ladies' van. I've got Travis's van at the end. Van life family we got going on here. So let's get going with this. Let's check out everybody. Let's go and see everybody. I'm excited to see what today is gonna bring. This is crazy. Life when it runs a shop. Home Depot shipment, even though it's on a shipment, they actually went and picked it up themselves. I might have to give them a hand because they got a truck that's coming in. I don't really want to bother her right now, but she's hard at work right now, working on some cabinetry. And now she hears me, and I can tell she's smirking. But guys, she is one of the builders here. She's actually really amazing. Her name's Marianne. We're gonna go talk to her real quick. She doesn't even know. What's up?
What's up, and how's it going?
I'm gonna just interrupt you for a second and just introduce yourself.
I'm Marianne. I am cabinet builder, welder. I do all sorts of
That's
things.
right, you're a welder.
Yeah,
That's
I do
right.
metalworking. I'm lead liaison between Los Angeles and San Diego warehouses.
Nice.
Pretty much do it all. Got to know what the process is. We all got to know what's going on. So.
And a beautiful cabinet you're building right now.
Very much.
For actually that van that's behind you right there, the white one, yeah.
Yep, that's right.
It's really good stuff. Awesome. Thank you, Marianne.
Yeah, of course, no problem.
I'll let you get back to work, sorry. These guys are all hard at work, and I'm sitting here doing a video. How much of an a-hole do I look like? Lacey, am I getting in the way? No! I'm so getting in the way. Everybody's working. I got Travis is even working his butt off.
Tocci.
I don't even know how many people are here right now, but it's crazy. They're building custom builds for customers. SD Campervans, where it's at. Alan is carrying boards in. Everybody's working, not Jarrod. Guys, this is Travis. He has a camera as well, which is really cool, and it's the camera actually I want. But Travis is literally, he's the guy, you're behind the camera. You for the Van Life app and Ladies Van and just Bre and Lacey and everything, right? Is that what you do?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
I mean, you are the man.
I'm the one.
Yeah, he has a fantastic YouTube channel. If you don't know who he is, Travis, why don't you give us maybe your handle on your YouTube?
Okay, my Instagram handle is Trav Travels. There's like Trav _ Travels _
I'll put it all in there. You'll see it all.
Yeah, it's just Trav Travels, and on Instagram as well, and on YouTube as well. Yeah.
It's Trav Travels?
Yeah.
Because honestly,
no
like,
spaces.
oh my God, like his videos are so good. It's different style than mine, but they belong on HGTV. They're so good.
Thank you so much.
Trav's about to do an interview with Alan right now, so I'm gonna let him go back to that, and I'm sorry.
Back to work.
We're doing 5/8, right? I don't know why I was driving the border.
Difference between me and a pro. Start it up. And Travis right here. She's just making a cut right now for Travis's video. Successful cut. A little bit of noise behind me, but they are actually applying what they use for their insulation in here. It's called lizard skin. I'm about to show Andrew right now. Andrew's right here. What's up, buddy?
What's up? How you doing?
He's about to apply the lizard skin on the floor of this. Pretty amazing what you guys do here.
Yeah. I love doing this job. This job is like always changing every day.
Yeah.
Every day it's always changing. Something new, some other new product.
It's pretty awesome, right?
Yeah, I love it. Like the next couple bands talking about they want a hammock, so that's another little building experience for me.
Pretty amazing. I hope we got audio on this because we got a lot of sanding going on behind us.
Yeah, but that's how it is every day at this shop.
So Andrew, man, I want to take you away from your work, but
yeah,
have fun. You're applying lizard skin right now, right?
Right now, in a few minutes, we're gonna get into this real lizard skin thing right now.
She can be in there. She was doing all the sanding a second ago. All right, man. Thank you, buddy. So guys, I'm actually sitting inside the ladies' van right now. There's Lacey right there. We are gonna get introduced to your sales rep.
Yeah.
Desiree is right there. So we're sitting in the ladies' van, and they're busy at work while everybody else is inside the shop. You guys are nice and cozy in your van.
We are.
You know?
Sweet van.
How amazing is
Shut
that?
the doors, it's warm.
It's raining out right now in Los Angeles. Seems a little weird, but it's true.
Yeah.
So we're inside the van just chilling.
Yeah.
And it was getting crazy in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we retreated. It's a nice workspace in here.
Yes,
It is.
totally.
It's nice, right? It's like your office outside the shop.
Mobile office.
Mobile office. So what are we doing? Are we doing anything special?
We are, well, training.
Yeah.
Desiree
She's
just
coming on.
started.
She's
Just
brand new. She's super on board, super stoked.
Yep.
to be on
Awesome.
the team.
Congratulations.
Van life.
Yeah, SD Campervans, the hard at work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
So we're creating invoices, talking to new customers, talking to current customers, getting all that stuff.
Yes,
She's
ma'am.
answering the phone, getting people stoked on their van.
Awesome. That's amazing. And so you're literally, it's like day 2, right?
As far as this aspect, yes.
And Bre just got here.
You checking in on us?
I got a work question for you.
All right, I'm going back inside.
How you doing?
Good. This is Giselle, everybody.
Hi, guys.
You are related to this in a sort of way, aren't you? You're like kind of, you're with Mark.
Yes,
Mark is Lacey's father,
That's
correct?
correct.
Okay,
Yes.
just want to make sure I got that right.
yes. I would be, I guess, like the stepmom.
Yeah, kind of,
Yeah,
yeah.
something like
so
that.
but she is like, she runs the shop, right? You run the
Right.
shop, she's the
Yeah.
shop foreman, or?
Yeah, at this point, yeah.
Yeah, doing everything right.
Right.
She's also doing some detail work right now on the board.
Yeah, we're doing the ceiling, and we got the little corner to fill in before we get the upper cabinets built and installed.
And I just interrupted her doing some fine sanding.
It's okay, it happens, yeah, I just,
I'm gonna let her go back to work though. But I
Okay.
wanted to introduce Giselle.
well, thank you very much. Hi, guys.
Guys, I'm actually down on the floor right now with Tyler. Yeah, with Tyler. He's doing electrical, so I don't want to keep too long here, but he's working on all sorts of stuff here electrical-wise.
Yeah.
You want anything you want to say, Tyler?
Yeah, it's really fun work. Yeah, I love wires.
You do. You're like the electrical wizard here, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm learning a lot as I go. I'm a network guy. From my
Okay.
background, but now I'm doing the higher voltage.
This is the stuff I really, really, really hate about van building.
Yeah.
It's like the stuff that I dread is wiring. And
Yeah.
just so more power to you when you do all this crap.
The
'cause
majority
it's-
of people don't really dig this kind of work. I love it. I got a little OCD about wiring, so.
Hell no.
Like, and, your work's usually hidden. You know?
Yeah.
And when the van's done, you don't see any of it, and that means I did my job right.
As long as everything turns on, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
We're good. Well, I'm gonna let him get back to work. Here we go. I wanted to introduce Mark because, like, you're the man here.
I am now. Well, there's a lot of us. We're all.
You're
all
Lacey's
doing-
dad.
I'm Lacey's dad.
Awesome. And this was originally your shop, from what I
It was
understand.
originally my shop. Yeah, I had it for 5 years.
Yeah?
Before I was going to get rid of it, and they wanted it for their van build business. So
Unbelievable, right? Way to keep it in the family. So
It's got a legacy now.
It is, and I was about to leave, but Mark was you were working so hard today, so I didn't really want to bother you, so I apologize.
No. We're trying to get a nice system here so we can get these things out.
Yeah, no, he's doing a great job. She wants me to mention Hot Wheels.
Yeah, I was a toy designer for 30 years for Mattel.
For Mattel?
Worked on
Pretty cool.
Hot Wheels and
The man behind Hot Wheels,
so
right
I was
here.
retired, and now I guess I'm kind of coming out of retirement.
Coming out of retirement for your daughter. Amazing.
To help get this
going.
business going. They're busy.
Hey, I said he was the man,
They
didn't I?
want to do good quality stuff, and
Yeah. And you've been doing this business, other than Mattel, you've been doing just...
well, I built our van. Me and my girlfriend built our van before we
Just how we met her.
before Lacey and Brand even had a van. So
Oh, there you go.
they bought it after they saw ours. They went out and bought one, built it, and we're out on the road before we were even finished. They've been out 3 months and we weren't even finished yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they like the
How funny is
they
that?
like something they saw.
There you go.
Now we're making a business out of it.
And you're enjoying every second of it.
It's a lot of work. I could still be retired.
That's what dads are supposed
They
to
need
do.
my help, I do.
Yeah, great business and great job. You do, and I love your van, by the way.
Thank you. Or you got to see it? Okay.
I did. I had a little bit of it, but yeah. Well, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah. All right.
You're the man.
Nice.
Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Bre.
Hey.
I'm finishing up here. They are definitely not finishing up here. But I just kind of wanted to show Bre again because she's really the, I guess you're like half the brains and everything behind all of this.
I don't know about half, maybe like 3/4.
I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to say that on
I'm just
camera.
kidding. No, all Lacey.
Honestly, the both of them run an amazing job here at SD Campervans. The only reason Lacey is not in this right now at the end is because she's busy at work.
Yep.
She's working. She's still training Desiree, and I didn't want to take her away from that. So everybody here is hard at work. Bre, you did such a fantastic job with SD Campervans, and
it's not me. It's like the entire team.
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Everybody here is so good at what they do, and they're still working behind me, which is amazing. And I'm not going to forget this: the Van Life app. Guys, it's coming out soon. I'm not going to say when. It's just coming out soon, and there's a lot of good things happening.
Yeah.
Anything you want
very
to say?
soon. Very soon.
Okay.
Keep your eyes out. If you haven't already done so, sign up at thevanlifeapp.com, and it's coming out. It's really, really soon. We'll
And
have
also,
a date.
more important, if you are interested in a van build, SD Campervans.
Yeah, SDCampervans.com. You can check out our personal account at the Ladies Van on Instagram or SD Campervans on Instagram. We're really trying to make this more accessible for the community because we're so passionate about the lifestyle. So, yeah, reach out.
We're going to stop this because we got some noise happening more behind us. So, thank you, Bre. Thanks for inviting me into your shop and just seeing it behind the scenes. Because, it's so cool. Nobody ever gets to see what van building is actually like, so.
And you came on a busy day, so you actually got to see what it's like.
It's crazy in here today, so sorry for getting in the way.
Gonna have to charge you if you're gonna hook these fumes.
Holy shit. That is.
It's pretty intense, bro.
He's mixing the lizard skin right now. I can't stand it for too long because literally I will get high off of this stuff.
Deep well tonight.